This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Mary Stansell. Oceanfront living in this sunny 1-bedroom 1-bath second floor with garage and additional parking. Common rec room, exercise and workshop area, sun deck with barbecue area and pickleball court. Living area has a cozy fireplace and large windows for a fantastic ocean view. Ocean view deck and spacious master suite with an oversized walk-in closet. Laundry with washer and dry-in unit. Get away to the beach. For more information, review the details below.